Ready to take your Shopify store global and reach customers far beyond the US borders? Great! Let's dive into using Shopify outside the United States first. Upon setting up your store, you'll be prompted to choose your store's country and a primary currency. This is crucial for how payments and financial transactions are displayed if you need to change this later. Navigate to your Shopify settings, then store details, and update your store currency accordingly. Be mindful that changing this after you've made sales might require careful reconciliation. Next, expand your reach by offering your store in multiple languages within your Shopify admin. Go to Sales Channels, then select Online Store. From there, find Themes, click Edit Code, and then look for the Locales folder. You can add new language files here for a more user-friendly approach without touching code. Many Shopify themes offer built-in language switching features. Or you can install dedicated multi-language apps from the Shopify App Store. This allows customers to browse your products in their native tongue. Now, let's talk payments to cater to international customers. You'll want to integrate local payment gateways. Shopify Payments is great, but it has regional limitations. Explore the Shopify App Store for gateways popular in your target countries. Look for options that support local currencies and payment methods your customers trust. Setting these up will involve following the specific integration instructions provided by each payment gateway. Finally, international shipping logistics are key in your Shopify admin. Go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can set up shipping zones for the countries you want to ship to. For each zone, you'll define shipping rates. Consider partnered carriers that offer international services, or investigate third-party shipping apps that can help you compare rates and streamline the process. Remember to clearly communicate your shipping policies, including estimated delivery times and any potential customs duties or taxes your international customers might incur. By carefully managing these settings, you can build a thriving e-commerce business that resonates with customers worldwide.